Okay, I thought I'd want to show you guys how I did the little picture on Instagram. So I'm using the Crackle Paste Deco Art Media Crackle Paste. So I put in a lot of H2O water to make it really fluid, as you can see. Then I'm using a brush, making it just a little bit more smooth. That's about it. I think that's smooth enough. And then I just put it down like that. Now, because I press down the brush, you have build up here, and then you go, it gets a little bit more thin down there. And then we're going to do another one. Do that one there. Put one up here. Do want to make it a little bit, you know, like it's something. So this reminds me of some sort of a petal of a flower. And I'm going to leave those little spaces in between just, you know, to give some of the background color, because that's a little prettier. That's what I'm going to do there. Do I want to make it bigger? Yeah, I just might turn it around and do it again. As you can see, there's air in it because I thinned it out and I had to stir it a lot. So that's when you get all the air. This I'm going to just make some sort of an abstract thingy. We'll see how that works out when it's dry. Do want to make it a little bit round because I kind of like that. And down here. Now everywhere where it's a little bit thicker, you'll get a little bit thicker cracks. That's how that crackle stuff works. So the thicker, the bigger the cracks, the thinner, the smaller the cracks. Just want to get it a little bit more build up because I want some really nice cracks. Well, we'll see how that works. Let's give it a little bit more here and there. It's going to give a lot of different cracks because of the build up here and there. Maybe a little thin things on the sides here. And then I'm going to go really thin right here. That is Cooper. He wants to go inside. My husband has to let him in. If my husband doesn't do that, he gets upset. I can hear his bark is a little bit, you know, he's irritated. I kind of like this one too. Oh, I really like that one. Don't know why, but I do. Give it a little bit more there. And we'll see what that is, what that turns into. I hate to throw the product away, that's why I'm just putting more on. We'll see how that works. So that'll give you a close-up once it's dry. And now I'll just show you the studio. Maybe I'll just wait till this stuff is cracked and then I'll upload the video. That might be better. Okay, see you in a bit. And then the one I did with the brush and where I made it really thin. Now this has potential, so I'm gonna do something to it. I'm gonna give you a close-up. Let's see if I can get you really in focus. It doesn't want to get in focus. Oh yeah, there it is. Can you see that, how pretty that is? Especially this one up here. That is really pretty. I don't know why that is, but everything that is cells or cracks, or I don't know why that is, but I really like that. This is so pretty. I wish I could make this really bigger, but you can't. So what you could do is photograph it and then blow it up, sell prints. You could do that. But this one too, wait a minute guys, you gotta show you this one. Okay, see how there the ridge running around there, how pretty that is? This one is kind of pretty too. But that one I like the most. I don't know why it is that I really like that stuff. I don't know. Gotta think about that. Maybe it's because it looks like something. Oops, you're a bit out of focus. Maybe it's because it looks like something under a microscope. And I was really that close to buying a microscope. And sometimes I think I'm crazy. But the thing is that you need one of those electron microscopes to really get in really on cellular level. And that's why I didn't do it, because I was thinking, you know, I want to go in so close with, sometimes you see these really close-ups on the internet, and they are so pretty, like little bacteria things, virus things, whatever. They're up close, they're so pretty. And I think that's what this reminds me of. This is beautiful, but I really like this. I might be doing a series of this. You know, you can color this, the deco art. You can color the paste with any color you like, just a little bit of acrylic. And then you have another color. What you can also do is stain it. So you can take color and put it on top when it's dry. And then, of course, you can take pictures, and then with a good, like Photoshop, you could color it. There are a lot of possibilities, but I really like what's going on here. I do want to upload the video. You know, I don't want to first dink around with this and then color it, because I'll feel a little bit nervous and have to do it all too fast. But I think I'll post them on my Instagram next week. I will do a couple of these and then pop them on Instagram. So again, my Instagram is right here. This is my Instagram, so you can go over and have a look. So thanks for watching. A lot of just testing stuff, and I don't know, not really doing artsy stuff. Well, it is artsy, but just trying to find out stuff, right? Okay, see you when I see you. Love you all to pieces. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, I promised that I would give you a shot of the studio. So I've been working here on some watercolors, as you can see here. Not really liking the watercolors anymore. I think I am going to pull the trigger on some Daniel Smith. So I'll get some more intense colors. But as you can see, I've been doing all kinds of stuff. I have been making these really cute patterns with gold in them. This one has another type of gold. I tried, that is Vallejo watercolor, which I tried to seal with varnish, but that doesn't work because it just fades out all the colors. Oh, there's the painting which I finished. There she is. Not sure if you can really see, but she's ready. I'm not going to do anything more. Then I started a big painting, a new one, which I am sort of giving a lot of sort of paste stuff to give it some depth, kind of like that. And then over there you can see all the mess I made. And this is my mixing table, full of mess. I cleaned those shelves, I cleaned them, but they're not really that neat anymore. So, and this is where I video everything, where I showed you the crackle paste. So that's about it. So tomorrow it will be cleaning up the studio again. So thanks for watching, guys. See ya later.